What is that awful noise, Mr. Ristić?
Hi, Slavisho. What are you doing? What's up, doc?
It's a very bad situation, let me tell you that much.
Your bike is sick?
My bike is about to die.
What kind
Why this fucking door
disease?
is always locked.
What kind of disease?
It has multiple diseases. It won't brake as it should. It runs wiggly. And,
Yes.
There's a lot of noise in my pedals. This guy.
Unlock, please.
Oh, fuck off.
Fucking sick bike. Let me see repairing kit.
Here it is.
Is that all?
And I brought this.
Bottom bracket tool. Yes. Where did you get this tool?
I went to a dear friend of mine called Ivča.
Ivča have this tool.
If you have time, I will tell it to you. It is very long story.
Vice.
Tools. Fuck. Main toolbox.
Oh,
Main tool.
very precise instrument.
Čuk.
It's Hawk. Oh yeah.
Universal tool. Jugo America. Jugo.
Ah, Bruce Willis, Die Hard 3.
Diagnostics. Oh.
I wanna ask something.
Yes.
Is this hanger part of your tools?
Definitely not part of my tools. First tool we need is crank extractor, aka Radapziger. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. My poor bike.
Your very sick bike.
It will never be the same.
Yes. Crank extracting.
You are great master of bicycleology.
Sad će radi Bonsek.
Why do we need Bonsek?
For cut the axle. Very bad situation for us. I must apply brutal force.
Will that hurt my bike?
Yes, definitely.
You are very strong, Mr. Ristić.
Yes, I'm strong man. I'm strong bicycle mechanic master. Cutting the bottom bracket axle.
This is applying brutal force.
Please take it.
I don't think I can watch. That looks bad.
Oh, that need more cutting with Bonsek.
More cutting edge technology.
This is the hardest part of work.
Take chook.
Look. Yes.
You nearly destroyed my camera. Oh.
Ooh. Hardest part of job is over.
Now what?
Now we
What
must,
is next?
We must pull out right side of the.
Are we doing it with Bonsek?
No, with crank extractor. Crank extractor again.
Are we gonna use Bonsek again?
No Bonsek, no Bonsek. I must return bike in normal position. I can't believe. No shit!
What is now?
Don't fuck me. I try to rotate.
You did it.
Yes, I did it. Bad news. We must cut again. Other side of axle. Look, this side of Bonsik.
It's not sharp anymore.
No. But other side is very sharp.
Can I use this magic cloth to wipe off my fingers?
Feel free to use it.
You said she twice.
She. I said she. Oh, I said she. I know. I don't know what I said. Cut into. Yes.
That's it.
Yes. Not work.
Just a little bit more.
It's time for hammer again. Yes! We made it.
Years and years of dirt.
Big victory. I said this is prevent for problems with unscrewing cartridge tool.
Powered by Ivta.
Yes.
One side works, one side don't work.
Right way to install bottom bracket.
It's stroke again.
Yes.
I haven't seen too many bike mechanics using chook like you do.
Chook is my favorite tool. Final level. Installing old crank set on new bottom bracket.
It's alive.
So you should try your new bike. We did it. We're gonna take off old handle grips. We are finished. This is the end.
My only friend.